So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-clear ng cache file sa ating VIBER app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating VIBER account o yung ating VIBER app. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang chat list, itap lang natin yung three horizontal lines na dito sa may lower right side or yung more ng ating VIBER. And dito naman, tap natin yung settings or hanapin nyo yung settings. And then, after nyan guys, dito sa settings ng ating VIBER, hanapin nyo lang and then itap yung storage. So, dito guys sa storage, makikita nyo na agad yung clear cache files. So, kung makikita nyo, meron akong dapat i-clear dito na 24 bytes. So, ang gagawin natin para ma-clear yung device storage ng ating VIBER app, tap lang natin yung clear cache files. Ano yan guys, kung makikita nyo, na-clear na yung aking cache file dito sa aking VIBER app. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-clear ng cache file sa ating VIBER app. If you have a question, can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay.